In the previous video, we created the time function. So let's try to run it one more time and see if it works.
8, 16 and 17 seconds.
So it worked correctly. Now in this video, we will define the date function using the datetime module. So let me define the function and I will name it as date. After that, I am going to define a variable named year and set it equal to datetime.now.year. So what this dot year does is it extracts the current year from the now function, and I want it to be saved in the variable year. So first of all, I want this in the integer format, so I will wrap all this in the int function, and now it's done. So now the year variable saves the current year in the integer format. I will do the same for the month and date. So let's quickly do it. Month equal to datetime.now.month. Date equal to datetime.now.day. Now we want this date to be spoken. For that we will use the speak function. So for some formality, I will first of all type the current date is in the speak function. Next up, I will pass the date, month and year variable in the speak function in the respective order. So let's save it, and to check it, let me call the function at the end, and let's see if it works or not.
The current date is 23/7/2020.
So as you can see, it worked correctly. So now let's get to the next video.